Hello everybody, we're glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can cast Twitch to TV. So first of all, open up the stream Twitch that you would like to mirror the screen with. Then, depending on what device you're using, iOS or Android based, the screencast setup might vary. So on an iPhone, you just open up the control center. In here, this is the screencast feature, or the icon that is responsible for it. Tap over here, choose your TV from the list. Make sure that your TV supports the screen mirroring option to begin with. Just tap on it and it will be connected. I do not have any, screen or TV at my hands currently, so I will not be able to show you exactly, but the process, the general idea, I hope you've understood. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.